Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In this video we're going to be installing the OEM KTM Husqvarna handguards. They are, a power part. I like going OEM when I can, and these ones that come on the 701 obviously don't really, they're there, but they're not going to do much. It's definitely a weight savings measure as opposed to the ones that KTM is happy to sell you, which are these, and they are the wraparound option. So you've got a nice big bar here that comes around, and this is going to be done over a couple of parts because I'm taking these off right now, and then we'll revisit this in a couple of days when I go to reinstall the new ones. So first thing I did actually was on both of these, there's a zip tie that's wrapping around here on both sides on this little carrier right there. You just cut the zip tie, and then this will start to pull away. And next step, we're going to be unhooking this here, which looks like a T25 or a T30. Okay, these are off. So I've obviously put this bolt back into place for now. It's holding this in, but they are off. Very easy to remove. First, I was like, do I have to get to these guys right here? But no, that's not. Just one bolt right there, and the zip tie, and you're off. So looks pretty nice. We're in supermoto mode. Not bad. All right. Everything out here that we need for the handguards. Here are the instructions. These actually came with instructions, believe it or not. Thanks, KTM. Like that. Everything here is that we need. I hope. It does mention that you want to cut off the edge of your grips, but with the heated grips, I actually did need to do that because they already have. They're actually open on this side, oddly enough. So hopefully that doesn't cause a problem. We'll see. Let's get started. First one is done. I want to make sure that I knew what I was doing first before I showed you guys how to install it. So if you, with these levers, maybe different with the OEMs, if you put this too high, it'll hit right there at the very end of the pull. Not a big deal because honestly, this will still save your levers from getting broken off because your wraparound plastic comes here. So this is installed here. You still have this, well, this won't move after I'm done, but this will still be here. And then you've got this terminated. You've got another locking nut termination here. And then you've got this piece here, which holds the handlebar in right there. So let's go over and look at this as far as the parts go. So this is going to be your right side like this. This piece comes out and it goes on the outside, and then the washer, this piece, and then the lock on the end all go on the inside like this. And then you're going to come around and you're going to put this on the right side. See, it's an R right here on the handlebar. Then this is going to slide into here. And then you can angle this to whatever angle works for this guy here. This piece, this big one, is the one that is going to go through here. This small one, the locking nut, is the one that's going to hold this piece together. And then this is already pre-bolted in. I would say use Loctite on everything sparingly except for the locking nut and this piece here. This piece is going to expand inside the handlebar and you're not going to be able to get out anyway. That's the overview. And these four pieces are for actually getting the plastics onto the card. What a weird thing that they're black when you have all this white and then you have the black screws. All right, back to the install. All right, so going as what? This thing is not. I mean, yeah. So it's slow input onto there. Next thing, gear drop right in, pull up, press, remove, press, open up. And under here, this all goes on the side of this strap phone, but it's, and then there's you can just find it, this one. Now it's up, perfect. Now you've got one, so you get bolted up. And this prop. All right, now that everything is on, You just got to find the right angle where you want it, make sure that all the clearances are good, and then you can tighten everything down, basically. And luckily this kit is all just a size 5 hex, so the whole thing can be touched. Well, size 5 plus a 10 mil wrench for that locking nut on the bottom there. Let's lock it all down. All right, look at that. Now we have our 2 Phillips head screws. Just gonna drop this. It hangs into place actually pretty nicely. And you get your screw holes right there. And luckily it's the same color white as the rest of the bike. Perfect match. Now, why did I buy these over the Cycra Pro Bins or the highway dirt bikes? Well, I was looking for OEM stuff primarily. It looks strong enough. I've ran highway dirt bikes before and they're great, but they require that you have their whole dashboard mounting area, and me, I wasn't going to go with that. I had a different idea for my dashboard, so I didn't want to use the HDB system. And Cycras were too expensive, $200 or $220. These were $103, and a little more on that one. So that's why. There we go. And we're all set. Look fantastic, don't they? Good coverage. And wraparound aluminum. Perfect. No issues here. Oh, I gotta loosen it up a little bit more because this is catching a little bit here. Always check to make sure that you are you haven't made a throttle lock for yourself. There we go. That's fine, because that'll. There we go. And this isn't compromised. Nope, it's not compromised. Okay. All right, and we're done. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.